Various leaders of the BJP spoke at two public rallies, one at Gorkha Pathshala ground under West Shillong constituency and another at Golf Links under Pintharum Kra on Tuesday evening. The rallies were addressed by BJP leaders and candidates Maria Hom Kharkrang, Sanbor Shulai, Ernest Mauri and A.L. Hek. All of them expressed their confidence and faith in the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Meanwhile, Union Minister of State for Minority Affairs John Barla and BJP national spokesperson Sambit Patra also spoke at the rallies and said that the BJP is the only party in the country which delivers what it promises, and it is the only option for a corruption-free development of Meghalaya. BJP supporters were hoping to see Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Shillong yesterday, but due to bad weather, he was unable to make it. However, Shah addressed the crowd over phone and sought their support for the BJP.
कितना डेवलपमेंट और हमारा स्टेट हम लोग दिल है हम लोग अपना स्टेट
मेघालय में भारतीय जनता पार्टी 60 की 60 सीटों पर अपने प्रत्याशी खड़े किए हैं। हमारा उद्देश्य है मेघालय को करप्शन विहीन बनाना, मेघालय में से करप्शन को समाप्त कर देना, मेघालय में वंशवाद को समाप्त करना और मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में मेघालय का डेवलपमेंट करना। आज हमारे दोनों प्रत्याशी अर्नेस्ट माउरी और सुलाई जी दोनों को आपको प्रचंड बहुमत से जिताना है।